welcome to News Blocks Daily. I'm Jody Gadiel Thompson. Here's the latest news in sports. San Beda has booked their ticket to the semifinals in PBAD League action. Let us hear more from our court sides reporter Gio. Thank you, Jody. Welcome back, sports fans. Maginero Filipino San Beda dominated the court yesterday, crushing Kenzel basketball 127-87. This decisive victory propels them into a best of three semifinals matchup against the CEU Scorpions. Head coach is UV Escueta is looking for a strong response from his players after their previous loss to CEU in the eliminations. He sees it as a learning experience and hopes it fuels their fire for the upcoming series. San Beda offense was a force to be reckoned with. 14 players contributed points, with Nigel Gonzalez leading the pack with a 17-point performance, including 6 rebounds and 3 assists. Strong supports came from Joshua Tagalab, 14 points, and James Payosing, 13 points. The San Beda Red Lions are hungry for redemption, and the CEU Scorpions stand in their way. This promises to be a thrilling semifinal series. We keep you updated on all the action. Stay tuned. Again, this is Gio reporting for News Blocks Daily. Back to you, Jordy. Thank you, Gio. That's all the news we have for you today. Stay informed, stay curious, and we'll see you again tomorrow. This is Jordy Gadiel 2000 reporting for News Blocks Daily.